In this video, I'll show you how to use the rip feature in your SolidWorks. So at first, extrude your sketch. You can use blind or mid plane. Let's use blind. Okay. Now you need to add a support from this plane through this plane. This is to solid body. So in this case, you can use this rip feature. So click here. Now select plane. Okay. Now just draw a sketch from this point to this point. Okay. Now click on feature. Here rib. So here you can see, you can select this side, also both side. You can change the dimension. Now just click on OK. So here you can see this is the support. If you need to draw a support here, then again click on here, rib. Click this side. Okay. Now draw a sketch. Okay. Now here you can see you just need to add this side. So click here. Let's give it 10. Okay. So this is the use of the rip feature. Also you can use angle. So here you can see the effect of angle. So thank you everyone.